In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add an SPF record on GoDaddy. Your first step on this journey will be to sign into your GoDaddy account. Once you are securely logged in, you'll navigate your way to your domain portfolio. This is where you'll find all the domains you have registered through GoDaddy. Now that you're looking at your domain portfolio, your next objective is to identify the domain for which you wish to add the SPF record. This will likely be the domain that is hosting your email server or the domain you are using for email services. Once you have your chosen domain in sight, go ahead and select it. After you have selected your respective domain, it's time to dive into the DNS settings. Locate the DNS option and select it. This button will essentially provide you with the platform from which you can manipulate your domain's DNS and where you'll add your new SPF record. Upon navigating to your DNS settings, now you will have to add a new record. Look for the button labeled Add New Record and click on it. Now, you have opened the path to adding the SPF record onto your domain's DNS. In this new record space, you are required to specify the type of record you're adding. You will see a Type drop-down menu where you should select TXT. Why TXT? That's because SPF records are indeed TXT records, and it's crucial to build them precisely. Next, it's time to populate the name field with an @ It might seem like a simple act, but the @ symbol is an alias that points to your original domain name. The following step is crucial in putting your SPF record into the value field. While the value does vary depending on your email server, as a basic example for GoDaddy's professional email, you'd input v/spf1 include secureserver.net, all. The v/spf1 part helps identify the record as an SPF record, and secureserver.net is GoDaddy's mail server. The on all part signifies that only GoDaddy's servers are authorized to send mail for your domain. At the follow and nearly concluding step, it's advised to keep the TTL or time to live as default. TTL refers to how long servers cache the information of your SPF record. Finally, take a moment to review your input, and if everything falls in line, take the plunge and save the record. Voila! You have now added an SPF record for your desired domain. Remember, it might take some time for these changes to propagate throughout the internet, so don't panic if the effects aren't immediate. Be assured you're now a step closer to enhanced email security against spoofing and phishing attempts. Enjoy the security and peace of mind that GoDaddy and SPF records provide. Happy mailing!